Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Castro once again here with YS Stocks and Options. And what we're doing right now, we're just going to check on the status, right? How exactly are we looking for this week with the forecast that we provided you guys for the market? So the first one I want to start with, it's with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So we said 305.99, $305.99 was going to target for this one. And look at that. Boom, on Monday, it hit that 306. Tuesday went a little bit higher on Tuesday. Look at that. Boom. It went as high as 307. So we can say that this one is a successful trade here, right? So what I'm seeing now, right, and this may be a little bit too premature. I'm going to do it. I'm going to forecast that we're going to come back and retest for the next week, $300, $299. Right? Come here. I'm saying that we're going to retest let's say 298 for this one. Let's go to the IWM. Ooh, look at IWM, the Russell 2000. So you can see here with the Russell 2000, boom, right? We've had some consolidation over here, distribution, should I say. But on Monday, it hit our target of 169.72. Boom. And it's been hovering around this, consolidating around this area. So that was a successful trade. Let's look at the Qs. Boom. Right? For the Qs, we had 282.14. Look, it hit it on Monday, hit it on Tuesday. And what we're seeing here, right? So that was success. So I'm just going to remove this from here. Right? Today is going to be very, very telling, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what candle that we form here, and also to include what type of volume that we get for today, right? I will be making a forecast for this one today, later on today, so stay tuned for that one for the rest of the breadth of the market. Let's look at the S&P 500. So for SPY, I had it for 374, right? $374.20. That's what we had it for. It hit 375 on Monday. It went as high as 378 on Tuesday. And right now, we see it right now 376. So this was a success, right? This was a success here, right? Boom. Even today, right? This is a success. Boom. So we can remove that one from there. I say possibly that it would test 380, right? It went as high as 338, 378. So it was off by $1 some change, but of course the first one was the one that we were going for, right? So far, all our targets were hit. And let's look at the VIX, right? If the VIX closes today in a hammer or possibly a spinning top, right, I can definitely see the VIX changing its course and going a little bit higher to next week, right? I would say testing 331 again, right? Just the next week. So it's at 29 right now. We'll see what it does. But today, definitely seeing the VIX going a little bit higher with everything that's going on in the news right now. So, but as you guys can see, right, every one of our targets were a success. The only one that I actually did an extended forecast for was for the Dow Jones. That's a little bit too premature right here, but right, I'm really seeing that the Dow Jones by next week, it should easily retest that lower low right here, right? So, but we'll see what happens, right? Again, this is us, YS Stocks and Options. Let us know what you think about this, right? As you guys can see, week after week, we show these forecasts and our price target is spot on. So share, subscribe to the channel, tell everybody about us, and always practice logic of emotions. And always, whatever you do, always mitigate your risk, right? Right. Peace. Be blessed.